Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we're going to practice self-compassion and inner kindness. This meditation is especially helpful when you're experiencing difficult emotions, self-criticism, or simply when you need to reconnect with your own loving heart. We all deserve the same kindness and understanding that we naturally offer to our dearest friends. Let's explore how to give this gift to ourselves. Find a comfortable position where you can sit with your back naturally upright but not stiff. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to arrive here fully, releasing any tension from your journey to this quiet space. Let's begin with a few conscious breaths. Breathe in slowly and deeply, allowing your chest and belly to expand naturally. And exhale gently, releasing any stress or hurry from your day. Take another slow breath in, inviting calm and presence into your body and mind. And breathe out, letting go of any need to be anywhere else or do anything else right now. One more deep breath in, breathing in acceptance and peace. And as you exhale, allow your body to settle more completely into this moment of rest and kindness. Now, let your breathing return to its own natural rhythm. Simply notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath without trying to change it. This breath that sustains you is always here, always available as an anchor to the present moment. Place one or both hands gently on your heart area. Feel the warmth of your hands against your chest. Beneath your hands, your heart beats steadily, pumping life through your entire body. This heart has been with you through every moment of your life, through joy and sorrow, through triumph and struggle. Take a moment to acknowledge that being human is not always easy. We all face challenges, make mistakes, experience disappointment, and sometimes feel overwhelmed. These experiences are part of the shared human condition. You are not alone in having difficult moments or in being imperfect. Now think of a situation where you've been critical of yourself recently. Perhaps you made a mistake, fell short of your own expectations, or reacted in a way you later regretted. Without going into all the details, simply hold this situation gently in your awareness. Notice what emotions arise when you think of this situation. You might feel disappointment, frustration, sadness, or shame. These feelings are natural and valid. Instead of pushing them away or judging yourself for having them, simply acknowledge them with kindness. Say to yourself silently, "This is a moment of suffering. This is part of being human." Other people have felt this way too. I am not alone in this experience. Feel the truth of these words. Millions of people have faced similar challenges and felt similar emotions. Your struggles connect you to the larger human family rather than separating you from it. Now imagine that a dear friend came to you experiencing exactly what you're going through. They shared their mistake, their disappointment, their struggle with you. What would you say to them? How would your voice sound? What expression would be on your face? You would likely speak to them with warmth, understanding, and encouragement. You might remind them that everyone makes mistakes, that their worth isn't defined by this one situation, that you believe in their ability to learn and grow. You would offer them your love and support naturally and freely. This same kindness, this same understanding, this same love is what you deserve from yourself. Place your hands more firmly on your heart and imagine sending yourself the same compassion you would offer to your dearest friend. Let these words settle into your heart. May I be kind to myself. May I forgive myself for my mistakes. May I remember that I am worthy of love and belonging. May I treat myself with the same compassion I show others. Repeat these phrases slowly, allowing each one to resonate in your heart. If your mind wanders or resists, that's perfectly normal. Simply return to these loving intentions with patience. May I be kind to myself. May I forgive myself for my mistakes. May I remember that I am worthy of love and belonging. May I treat myself with the same compassion I show others. Feel the warmth of these intentions spreading from your heart throughout your entire body. This compassion is not weakness. It takes great strength and courage to be truly kind to yourself. You are cultivating one of the most important skills for a happy and peaceful life. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time for inner healing and growth. Thank yourself for being willing to approach your difficulties with curiosity rather than judgment, with kindness rather than criticism. Now expand this circle of compassion beyond yourself. Send loving kindness to someone you care about who might also be struggling, then to someone you feel neutral about, and finally, to someone you find difficult to love. All beings deserve compassion and freedom from suffering. Return your attention to your own heart under your hands. Feel grateful for this practice and for your willingness to be gentle with yourself. This self-compassion you're cultivating will serve you well in all areas of your life. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a deep breath and feel the love and acceptance you've nurtured within yourself. This compassion is always available to you. Whenever you notice self-criticism arising, you can return to your heart, place your hand here, and remember these loving intentions. Take one more conscious breath, appreciating yourself for this practice. When you're ready, gently remove your hands from your heart and slowly open your eyes. Carry this kindness with you as you move through your day, treating yourself as you would treat a beloved friend. Thank you for practicing self-compassion with me today. You deserve all the love and kindness you have to offer.